everyone. We're going to write a function that is equivalent to g of x equals x squared plus 15x minus 54. And looking at the answers, basically all they did is factor it. So you can kind of look at the solutions they have to see if you get this 15 in the middle, or you can not look at the answers and just factor this, which is what I'll do here. So I make an x here. I'm going to write my last term. My constant is 54, and my middle term is 15. Now the 15 is where you're combining the two values, and the negative 54 is where you're multiplying. And we can kind of look at the answers. They have 9 and 6, and they have 18 and 3 as our factors. So I'm looking at the 8. They both look like they equal 15. So if you try 9 and 6, but you need a negative, both of these have to be negative. But if you combine them, you don't get a positive 15, you get a negative 15. So we can't use that. So let's try 18 and 3. Now we want one to be positive and one to be negative. So if we let 18 be positive and the 3 is negative, then we do have 18 times negative 3 equals negative 54, but 18 minus 3 equals 15. So these are the two numbers we want to use. So we're going to write g of x equals x plus 18 and x minus 3. And again, you could have just looked. We know that our last term is 18 times negative 3, which is what we did and got negative 54. And then for our middle term, we already know that this is x squared. So your middle term is actually your outer combined with your inner. So your outer is negative 3x. Your inner is plus 18x. And that gives you your 15x. And of course, we already knew that the last term worked. So that gives you your 15x. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.